LJ, what are you doing? Are you playing in the fridge? Are you hungry? Can I help you get something? I think you're doing just fine by yourself. I don't think we need to eat anymore. Time for bed. Are you done? Find anything good? No, you want me to shut the door? Yeah? Oh, LJ, I love you. You're funny. Wait till Nana comes in here and sees you in here. Look at your mother. Oh, you found chocolate. Are you done in there yet? Huh? Oh, you're not going to be happy when Mama pulls you out. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Hey. Come here. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Good boy.